This is the future.
So once you are giving power to the camera, it will be vibrating like this. There will be this kind of sound and the camera will be turning. Means camera is having power and it is on. Now you need to download Secureye Smart app since I have already downloaded. So if you are new, you also need to sign up with your email. But since I have already signed up, so I can directly go on this add up. You need to go to the camera and lock option, then smart camera Wi-Fi option. Then you need to click here and next. Then make sure your phone is connected with Wi-Fi and this is on 2.4 gigahertz. Next. Then you have this kind of QR code. You scan the QR code to the camera. You'll be having this kind of sound. Just click here, I heard prompt. Now adding device. So see, quickly it is connected, done. Now you have the video. So if you want to operate, you can click here. You have this sign for pan, tilt. Then you go back. If you want to see the menu, you can click here. You have playback, gallery, theme color option, light mode, dark mode. You can change the mode. Then you have private mode. If you want to be camera on sleep mode, then you have private mode option. Again, you can turn on the camera from here. So the camera will be on again. Then you have motion tracking. Like this, if any motion is there, camera will be turning like this. You have motion detection in the camera. So any motion is there, the camera will, after few seconds, this will send you some notifications. Then you can check the previous motions from the messages. So see, camera movement detected. So this is the message. If you want to see the screenshot, this is the screenshot. Again, go back to the main menu. From here, one more feature, siren. So camera is with built-in siren. If you see some suspicious activity and if you want to inform someone, you just click here on siren and just click. So camera will be having siren sound. If you want to put it off, you can put it off from here. Then you have cloud subscription option also. Just click on cloud if you want to subscribe, purchase service. Then subscribe video cloud storage. Then you have all the options, basic plan monthly, plus plan monthly. So you have different category of option you can choose and subscribe cloud. So model number of this camera is P90. This is 3 megapixel Wi-Fi pan tilt camera. Thank you.